Okay, so I'm going to show you what I do for an overall arms workout. Because I do have lower back problems, I use a stability ball up against the wall to support myself so I can lean on it. I don't want to tap into my lower back, and it's just always good to do. All right, so what I'm going to do is I start with 5s, then I'm going to go to 3s. Sometimes go up to 8s, but today I'm feeling 3 and 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up to our chin, out, down, up, back to our chin, and down. Every motion you hold, down, slow up, hold, into your chin, down. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Five. 6. 7. Whew. And that's 8. So what I would do now is give myself a break and then move on to the next set, lower set. So I would go to 3. I would do another set of them, then I put the 3s down. And I would literally, with holding fists, do the motion. It'll feel like you have weights in your hands still by then. And you're still working it. So you want to do 3 sets, a higher level weight, medium, and then no weight whatsoever. You got to figure out where you are in that level. And for me, like, I don't go big weights because I don't want to build. I just want to tone. So everybody's got their own way of doing that.